Okay, so here I have my 2007 GSX-R 1000. Had a recent trip out of town, was streaming music on my cell phone, and the battery dies. So I'm stuck with no music, still about a half an hour ago in my trip, and I'm bored. So I'm thinking, what do I got to do to get power on my motorcycle? A couple of Google searches and a lot of forum reading, and it looked like a lot of people have put power on their motorcycles, but it was kind of complicated. So I was looking for something simple, plug and play. Very simple, clean, and dependable. Alright, so what I found were some battery tender terminal connectors on Amazon. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, everything I always say, people in their dumb videos can't keep steady. But here's the terminal connectors. Very simple. Unscrew this, put the terminal connector on, screw it back down. Same thing with the positive side. Alright, and I'm running them back because the socket, the plug for the power, is about 5 feet long, so it's more than enough. So just to keep it neat, and you see here is the connector. I can unplug it, and I can plug in my battery tender when I need to put it on the tender, usually in the winter. Okay, so this is the one for the battery tender. Comes with a cover when it's not being used. And this is the power plug. So it's pretty basic. You can see there, sorry about the blurriness, but this is a cell phone camcorder. So you basically just plug it in and it's done. You're set. Nothing else to worry about. It's heavy duty cover. It's not going to melt. It'll last a long time. The connector's real sturdy. So I plug it in, then I decide where on the motorcycle I want to put the outlet. So this is where I put the outlet. It's connected to the hydraulic clutch. It's nearby, but not too obtrusive. You run the single wire. I measured by checking turning the handlebars right and left all the way over to lock. Plenty of cable for that, and just basically ran it over the airbox for now. See, so I lift the gas tank up and run it over the airbox. Very simple. Once it's over the airbox, there's nothing much down here, but the gas tank, make sure it wasn't going to get pinched or anything. While I was in there, I took out my Ivan's TRE. I was just tired of guessing what gear I was in, because this eliminates the gear indicator. It does remove the top speed governor, I guess they say, but who's gonna do 190 every day, right? I'd rather know what gear I'm in. So this might go up on eBay, Craigslist, something. So I run it under and back up towards the battery under the front seat, and I could just plug it in, and I could take it out whenever I want. Very simple. And I did this because I wanted to charge my cell phone. So I was trying to figure out what can I mount my cell phone on. I have an OtterBox case. I took the belt clip, bought some Velcro, put it on the clamp. Wasn't too pleased on the security of it there, so basically took some wire that was laying around. I don't know if you could see it. Maybe if this focuses in better. You see there that wire, that copper wire? Yeah, that's what it is, copper wire. I just secured it a little bit better. Or I think a bit better. I tested it. It's good up to 140. And now I could just pop my phone in the case. If I need GPS, I got GPS. I'm not going to run out of power. And now I got power. Oh, I also velcroed my fast lane transponder there. I know it's not the coolest place for it, but it's handy. It's within reach because these fast lane toll booths in Massachusetts won't read it where it is. I have to take it, hold it above my head as I go through the toll, and then put it back. Or if you're in New York, they'll grab it from you and use it for you, like I found out this past weekend. But there you go. I'll see if I post this to YouTube or something. Got to button everything up. Let's see, make sure it works. I gotta go get my power from my truck. So there'll be a part 2.